Shopify is an immensely powerful tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs and one that can be used to develop a robust online store that is perfectly brand integrated and streamlined for ideal user experience. Designing a Shopify store sometimes requires teams of talented, experienced developers and designers, but to simply get an online Shopify store off the ground can be easier than you think. Here are the steps you need to follow to create an online store using Shopify as your e-commerce platform. First, you'll need to create an account on Shopify.com. You'll have two options, Shopify and Shopify Plus. Shopify is geared towards smaller ventures, whereas Shopify Plus is designed for enterprise-level operations. For the purposes of this tutorial, you can start with a free trial of Shopify. To create a free account, start a free trial and enter the name of your business along with some other requested information. Once you fill out the first few fields of personal information, you can start by picking out a theme for your online store. Shopify offers plenty of free themes that will affect the layout of your online store, as well as some premium themes that will cost a little more. Scroll through their selections in your admin portfolio and pick out the ones that appeal to you most. When you have determined what theme you want to use, click Publish, which will appear at the top right-hand corner of the screen. After you've picked a theme, you can add products to your store. At the left-hand side of your admin portfolio, you will see a menu. Click on Products and then Add Product. In this section, you can add product names, pictures, descriptions, and other details. Be descriptive. Your customers will rely on you to provide valuable information about your products, as well as colorful, original photography. To enter the product into your store, click Save, and then continue the process as necessary. Once you've added your products to your store, you can then arrange them into categories and add details to your store. It makes sense to add the related products into categories that make sense, such as color, size, or use. This will simplify the organization of your store and will improve user experience. From your admin portfolio, you can make other changes to the design of your site and customize your theme. You can edit fonts, typefaces, alter colors, upload logos and pictures, add headers and footers, and more. After you've customized your theme and added products, you're almost ready to go live. But first, you need to take care of some additional details. You need to select payment gateways for your Shopify store. From the admin portfolio, you can navigate to Settings and then to Payments, where you can select the credit card and other forms of payments such as Amazon Pay and PayPal that you want to accept. Shopify comes ready configured to accept most major credit cards and other forms of payment. Once you have selected payment options, you are almost ready to go live. But before you do, make sure your website is ready to collect tax if required. You should also set up shipping options and double-check all of your information in the settings portal to avoid issues down the road. You may also want to pick out your own domain name for your website. You will automatically be assigned one, but if you want to add your own, you can add a new one under Add Domain beneath Customize Theme in your admin portal. These are all steps you need to take in order to get a Shopify store up and running, and you can always go back to your website at any time to make changes to the functionality of the site, to alter payment methods, or to change the layout. While it can be relatively easy to launch a Shopify store, as your business grows, you might realize you want enhanced functionality or customization that takes an in-depth knowledge of the platform in order to execute. At One Digital, we've created many Shopify designs for different clients in diverse industries. We create stories that are brand integrated with a seamless checkout and optimized for search engines. Whether you aim to improve the overall user experience or just bring in more traffic and generate higher sales, we can help you out. Give us a call and let us help you with your Shopify store. Remember to leave us a like and hit that subscribe button to keep with our latest e-commerce tips and tricks regarding design, development, search engine optimization, and more.